here today with the man group. We've got Anthony and we've got Joe showing us what it takes to be a Demolition boys. I'm also joined by Blake, Nella and Kobe. So yeah, we're excited to get into this. Let's do it.
I give it all that I got will never stop. I give it all, straight to the top, will never front. I give it all that I have, I let it be, cause nobody's better than me. What do you see? Give it all. Yeah, all that I got, I give it everything. They lost the plot, they think I'm menacing. They wanna talk, but I ain't settling. Circle is tight, feeling like
now we're gonna make a new one.
So make a new one.
We're gonna make a new one and then put it on, and then he's gonna get back in the machine, and then we'll see if it leaks on.
I'm saying that we've got to cut this bit of 0.8-inch pipe to about a metre length, maybe a bit longer. Then we're going to crimp some fittings on the end of it to replace the L bump.
So Nav, what do you think about that cut, Nav?
Yeah, it was very straight. It should make it easy for the fitting to go on and be crimped on. Was it?
It's alright.
Yeah. Well, I thought it was good from my angle. Obviously, it wasn't very good.
He got low standards.
No, it was good. It was good.
Don't hire him. Don't hire him.
Hey!
tougher than Booker T. Couldn't agree more, but could it be? I think higher than them all. Truthfully, my pen fire and then some. A body again done.
Do we hold pressure? There we go.
That's it. Good job, boys.
Pressure.
Oh! Easy. Yeah, Joey. He slotted it. He slotted it.
Fucking what a kick, bro. What a kick, bro.
I just wanted to thank the boys from Manly. It's been a great day. Looking forward to the season. I'm sure they're going to rip in and have a good crack. If you guys need some kicking practice, let us know. Just glad we weren't running it straight at them. Thanks. Thank you, everyone. Thanks, boys.